fine, but fuck, don't remember you calling me at all. Like, but to be fair, I was so fucking fine when I left the club. I just felt ill. That's jokes that I fucking stumbling all around the place, open the door, bro. And then I fucking wake up next to the Luke, bro. And I was disappointed. I was expecting Karen, man.
Brightness Jones.
Amnesia in my mind on wavy. Blue lights give the ends of safety. It was fuck you pay me till it all come save me. Or the boy them chase me. More money, more problems. Less money, less patience. Big up in my cadence. Machiavelli on a playlist. Trying to get my little brother on the slave ships. Get a belly on the payment, put a belly on the payment. Get a verse, don't say shit. Get it first on the late ship. Get a verse, get a verse, get a verse.
Last day, mate. Last night, unreal. I don't know what happened. I don't know how much I'm going to include in the actual, my personal vlog. It was a madness. But we're finally up out of the house. It's like 5:30 or something retarded. But we're at the plaza or something, I don't know. There's an arena thing behind us and there's, mate, I'll show you it. I don't know what it's called though. But yeah, it's looking dang. Fucking mad classic building here, all these stone steps. There's just a fucking escalator. It looks so out of place, man. I don't rate it at all. Just have more steps, man. It's not even any point. It's not like that's like wheelchair access. You can't get a wheelchair up fucking an escalator or steps. Like pointless, man. Pissing me off. He's looking pretty lame. Man, this sunset is looking very dang, man. Jeez. Man, this sunset is looking fresh as fuck. The colours are all there. It's like a palette, man. Man, I'm experiencing some crazy emotions right now.
Shots to the head but couldn't execute them. Slur like a bridge rose, Martin Luther Vandross, half a gram gone. Had the sound down, the loud was too strong. Talk to Nashes, I guess I'm too on. Guess you guess wrong, don't make assumptions. Nothing to prove, I don't want for nothing. Nothing came first, I'm used to bluffing. Kept my head low, full gallons of gallows. Cast the first oak, then hide the hands low. Pull up the skirt, pull up with words first. Bullet the skirt, whipping in worse ways.
Yeah, I've been wanting to have a business for
I'll send it back.
Why is that so good? Isn't it? We're roasting it, but we're all going to do it now. Just heading to a pub to watch the Chelsea-Leicester, I think, is playing. Classic Brits abroad, lads. Just banged out a decent meal with the boys. Pretty getting ready for the sesh, you know. I think everyone's feeling it. We're pretty buzzing tonight, so I feel like it's going to go off.
Finally broke up with them. Yeah. That's jokes.
Okay. Jez, mate, opinions on Pre's so far?
Mate, Pre going well so far. Enjoying it. It's last night, so
yeah.
Shaky. That's it.
Yeah, that's the only thing, innit? I think people are holding back a little bit, which I wish they were, honestly.
They just caught another thing. Fresh fruit, had my fingers on the leg. Lifeline on the tick. Bang, 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 bang. They don't wanna see me righteous, running riots on the road with my people. They don't wanna see me righteous, running riots on the road with my people. Yeah. Feeling islands on the bed for my people. Yeah. We spilling islands on the bed.
Just got into RAZZMATAZZ, it's going off.